Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Qashqai to ACC so the head unit is live. This ensures Bluetooth modules are awake. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep its screen unlocked so the car can find it. Make sure your phone is not connected to another device. Nearby connections can block pairing. Now, on the Nissan screen, select Settings, then Bluetooth and choose Add Device or Pair. This starts a search. The car broadcasts its name, so you and the system can see each other. When the car appears on your phone, tap its name and wait for a PIN or passkey to display. You must confirm the same 4 or 6-digit code on both screens to authenticate the link. Once paired, grant permissions for contacts and message access so caller ID and recent calls show up. If you drive often with this phone, mark it as priority or enabled for auto connect to skip manual pairing next time. This step secures the connection and enables hands-free features. Complete setup by testing a phone call and playing music. Make sure the head unit's media source is set to Bluetooth so audio routes correctly. If the phone won't pair, remove previous Nissan Qashqai entries from your phone and clear stored devices on the infotainment, then retry. Stale profiles often block new links. If problems persist, restart your phone and cycle vehicle power. This resets Bluetooth stacks. Finally, update your phone OS and infotainment firmware. When available,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.